Welcome to this brief introduction to the different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was the first and still most well-known cryptocurrency. It is intended as an alternative to the fiat currencies we use today in our everyday lives to pay for goods and services, like the US dollar, the euro or yen. In other words, it is used as a universal medium of value exchange. At the moment, its exchange rate is a little too volatile for this to be practical, and it is more like a store of value, something like a digital version of gold. However, as Bitcoin matures, this should change, and one day we may regularly pay for our lunch or a magazine using Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency, and there are now over 1,000, though most are too small to be very significant. Some of the other major cryptocurrencies, like Litecoin, Monero and Dash, are intended to be used as cash in a similar way to Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrencies, however, are only intended to be spent on a blockchain platform. This can be compared to a token used in an amusement arcade, but with a limited supply and price that fluctuates based on supply and demand. Ethereum and Neo, for example, are smart contracts, blockchain platforms, and using them means buying and spending their cryptocurrencies. Ripple is used to pay for the use of a financial settlements blockchain platform. And other cryptocurrencies are used for blockchain platforms that offer a huge variety of different functions.